Today, I'm going to teach you how to play music on Zoom. Whether you're hosting a virtual party, leading a meditation session, or just want to share your favorite tunes with friends during a call, this feature makes it easy to stream high-quality audio directly through Zoom. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account that has access to the meeting you want to join. Once you're logged in, go ahead and join a meeting. This could be a scheduled meeting or one you're hosting yourself. The key here is that you need to be in an active Zoom session before you can share audio. Now, once you're in the meeting, look for the Share button. You'll typically find this in the toolbar at the bottom of your Zoom window. It's usually labeled with the word Share and an icon that looks like an upward arrow. Click on this button to open the screen sharing options. This is where Zoom gives you various ways to share content with other participants. When the sharing window pops up, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Advanced tab. This section contains specialized sharing options that go beyond just sharing your screen or a window. In the Advanced tab, locate and select Computer Audio. This option is specifically designed for sharing system audio, which means any sound playing on your computer will be transmitted to everyone in the meeting. After selecting Computer Audio, click the Share button to confirm. At this point, Zoom is now set to broadcast whatever audio is playing on your device. The next step is to actually play the music you want to share. Open your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. In the search bar, type in the name of the song or artist you want to play. YouTube is a great option because of its vast music library, but if you prefer, you can also use Spotify or any other music streaming service you have installed on your computer. The important thing is that the audio is playing through your computer speakers or audio output. Once you've found the track you want, click play. The music will now start streaming through Zoom to all the participants in your meeting. Everyone should be able to hear it clearly as long as your audio settings are configured properly. Finally, you may want to adjust the sound if needed. Check your computer's volume settings to make sure the music isn't too loud or too quiet. You can also ask participants if they can hear it well and adjust accordingly. Keep in mind that you can pause or stop sharing at any time by clicking the Stop Share button in your Zoom toolbar. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to play music on Zoom and share it with everyone in your meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.